There's a mount on top of this particular exhaust. I'll put the link to it. Just got you a little nub right here. I'm going to make some type of bracket to kind of help push it down just a little bit. There's a little flex to keep it off the body. You also got to think about engine flex. So, also too, I clean this up a little bit and I paint it with a high temp clear coat because I like the way it looks. But as soon as that thing starts getting some water on it, and heat and water, heat and water, heat and water, it's gonna start rusting. So I would definitely suggest, you know, something, either clear coat like I did, you know, clean it up a little bit, scratch it up a little bit, crocus cloth at the end, or high temp, you know, whatever, black, red, purple, whatever color you prefer. All right, let me know if you got any questions, comment, and please like and subscribe.